do that one more time. Something we like to call the Great Escape. All right, we're gonna show you that there's absolutely nothing inside this box. There's nothing underneath the box. It's solid wood. How do you all know? Because I built it. I cut down the wood myself at the Great Home Depot. No, but in all seriousness, we did put a lot of effort into building this illusion. Tachi and I spent over 12 hours of screwing and hammering and...
And then we built the box.
Okay.
Get in there, Tico.
Yes, ma'am. Hold on. Kobe. Sorry. Way off. Godspeed.
And now he's gone, never to be seen again.
What?
I said never to be
Okay,
seen
okay, I get it.
And now, we will lock him in. All right, check this out. Just before your very eyes. If you blink, well, there's a good chance that you might just miss it. One of the best magic illusions that you may ever see. On the count of 3.
3, it's me. Hey, you guys like that? All right, we did put a lot of effort to that illusion. That will be the fastest illusion you will ever see. I'll ask you one more time. Do you guys like that? Marvelous! I love it! Oh, wow. Oh, damn. Oh, Tachi! I got it, Tachi! Hold on, no! I got it, I'm on the key. Oh, shit, all right. I got it. Here, can you save my banana? Thank you. Box number 1. Box number 2. I'm coming as soon as I can, Tachi. I'm sorry. I'm broken off a banana. Number 3, and if you guys are counting with me, this is log number. Good job. When we did it to show in the Saints last week, that was not the answer, so never mind. Tachi, I'm coming. That's like number 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Say hi to Tachi.
Big round of applause for Chachi and Chico in the Great Escape. Hey, you know what? She wasn't wearing that outfit when she got in there. That makes it twice as impressive. I know. Hey, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.